Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Assam Prawns. So let's start cooking. To announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive Local Chinese Delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. We'll now prepare our Assam or tamarind water. Over here I have 50 grams of Assam paste or tamarind paste. This is how the packaging look like. Add in 80 milliliters of water, hot water. There will be seeds in the tamarind, so it's fine, no worries. Later we will just filter them out. Mix it up well and let it sit in the water for 20 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. We have sipped the Assam or tamarind for 20 minutes and this is how it looks like. We're now going to strain this. Just pour everything down. Just use your spoon and just move them around. Try to scrape it a little bit, move in as much of the pulp through the sieve as possible. This dish is a very traditional Indonesian Malaysia dish. Assam prawns, and it's fabulous with rice or on its own. Okay, so now this is done. Let's just scrape the bottom off first. We add in 20 grams of brown sugar. If you do not have brown sugar, you can use white sugar or cane sugar, no problem at all. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, half a teaspoon of salt, as well as a few dashes of white pepper. Mix them up well. This will be our marinade for our prawns. Now add in our prawns. I have with me over here 500 grams of prawns, which I've actually cut off all the fillers, the sharp part, as well as butterfly them and taken out the vein. So we just put everything in. Mix them up well, and we let them sit in the marinade for 20 minutes before we fry them. I'll catch you back in a while. Now we're going to put the dish together. Heat up your pan or your wok. Add in a good amount of oil. We need a little bit more oil for this. Swirl the oil around a little bit. I'm using medium heat right now, and you can do the same. Now you'll place our prawns in individually. Try not to stack them up. You'll fry them approximately 2 minutes on each side until done. You want to char them a little bit to give you that smoky flavor. Do not discard the sauce, we'll use this later. Don't move them around too much, let them cook on one side for 2 minutes before we flip them over. This dish is extremely easy to put together and super tasty. I prefer to cook this with the shell because it actually adds a little bit more flavor to it. But of course, if you want it to be easier to be eaten by your guests, you can take off the shell as well as the head. Maintain the heat at medium. 2 minutes is about up. Let's have a look at the other side. Right, this is something that we want, so we can flip it to the other side. Important thing is for them to turn red, so that they are cooked. This dish goes very well with steamed rice, or if you have the time, you can actually cook nasi lemak, and it goes superbly well with coconut rice. And now 2 more minutes on this side. Once 2 minutes is up, I'll show you the next step. 2 minutes is up, we'll pour the rest of the marinating sauce in. Just spread them all over the prawns. We just need to thicken this up. You can also add in spring onions. This will give this dish another flavor, which will be super nice. I can move the prawns around a little bit just to get them evenly coated with the beautiful sauce, and of course to bring out the fragrance from the spring onions. It's going to be so good. Look at how beautiful they are. Once the sauce has reduced, like what you are seeing over here, we can turn off the flame. And it's time for our lunch. Beautiful. now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Smells really good. To eat this, I like to, ooh, the taste is really, really good. Not too sour, not too sweet, very, very well balanced. Very, very nice. With rice, number 1. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to cook. Literally, finger licking good.